In this video, we will use AUTOSUM functions on the Formulas tab to get quick statistics out of a range of data. Let's use the sum function to add up all the salaries in the last column of our table. Just click where you want the result to go. Now find the AUTOSUM drop-down on the Formulas tab. The AUTOSUM button has two parts. The bottom part displays a drop-down menu. Select the sum function from the drop-down menu. After you click the function name, notice how Excel inserts the equal sign, the name of the function, as well as opening and closing brackets. Between the brackets, we're going to enter the arguments for that function. You can either select with your mouse the range of cells to include in the function, or you can type the range. Now press the Enter key to validate your formula. The result of the calculation is displayed. You can double-click that result to see the formula again. Repeat with the other functions. The next one is the average function, and we will apply it to the same range to calculate an average salary. Click where you want the result to be displayed, then find the average function from the AUTOSUM drop-down on the Formulas tab. The next function is called the count function, and it counts numbers in a range. Select the max function and apply it to a range. Excel will return the highest number in that list. To validate your formula, you can press Enter, or you can click the Enter symbol on the formula bar. The last function, min, will show the lowest number in the range selected.